Hi, my name is Lynn Sandman, and I'm a first year at the Lindner College of Business studying marketing. If you're creative, interested in consumer behavior, and want to understand how businesses connect with customers, the marketing major could be the perfect fit for you. The Bachelor of Business Administration and Marketing focuses on how organizations create and deliver value to customers. Marketing goes beyond just advertising and selling. It's about understanding consumer needs and delivering the right product, message, price, and experience all at the right time. You'll learn about consumer behavior, market research, branding, advertising, and digital marketing, all while developing both analytical and communication skills that are essential in today's business environment. At Lindner, you'll benefit from hands-on learning and connections to real businesses. With Cincinnati often considered a brand capital, you'll have access to industry leaders, co-op opportunities, and real-world projects that help you to apply what you learn in professional settings. Graduates pursue careers in areas like advertising, brand management, market research, sales, public relations, and product development. This wide range of opportunities makes marketing one of the most versatile business majors. If you're creative, analytical, and want to understand what drives consumer decisions, the marketing major can set you up for a dynamic and impactful career.